Okay, so in this video we're asked to find x, and what we've got is a set of co-interior angles, so they're kind of trapped within the parallel lines, and we can also sometimes see these called allied angles as well. Okay, but the rule is that the co-interior angles add up to make 180 degrees. So what we know is that if we add these together, so x plus 22 plus 2x minus 13, that altogether that's going to be 180 degrees. Right, so let's put them together then. So we've got 3x, then we've got 22 take away 13, which is going to give us a positive 9, is equal to 180. So I'm going to take 9 from both sides, and I'll have 3x is equal to 171. Right, so just to get x on its own, I've got to divide through by 3. So me x is going to be 171 divided by 3. So x is going to come out at 57. Okay, right, so let's do a check on this because I can now substitute 57 in place of the x. So I've got 57 plus 22. Okay, so on that side I've got 79. And if I put the x in on this side, so 2 lots of 57, I take away the 13, so that is coming out at 101. And if I add the two together, I should get 180. Okay. If you'd like more support with maths, my email is on screen. You're very welcome to get in touch.